taken any vlog footage all week. Today I'm supposed to be releasing products and my images are still being edited and loaded. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am looking for the bottom piece for my tripod so I can put y'all on here so I can pretend like I don't see y'all and get clips like that because I love those type of aesthetic clips. The office is kind of a mess in here because I just shot some photos earlier and I really thought that I would be done by now. But it is 6:38 p.m. I was supposed to launch at 4, then at 5:30. And I'm still trying to get everything up on the site. Welcome to Reallycuteco's live. Another late night live, you guys. I actually just got done packing orders for Instagram. So this is what my packaging looks like. Super cute, eco style. Isn't it so cute? I could go live on probably YouTube sometimes, but I just haven't done that yet. It is currently 10:19 at night. I usually go live pretty late in the evening because I'm hustling all day. As y'all know, I'm a stay-at-home mom and all that stuff, so I'm hustling all day trying to get to the point where everybody's calm and the house is settled so that I can go live. And so I finally got a chance to go live at 9 o'clock, and I went live and packed orders, and I usually post them on my Instagram. This one was pretty quick. It was faster than the other ones. I think I'm getting faster as well, but I had 3 orders to pack, and no matter how many orders I have been trying to post those on my Instagram. Some people request for me not to pack the order live, so I make sure to not pack it live. Most people don't care, so I go ahead and pack their orders. So that's what I just got done doing. I don't have any vlog footage, and it is like making me sad because I want to have footage for my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I was playing Christmas music during this one. This is only my second live playing music. The last time I was playing Madison something. I love her voice so much. I'm a little concerned because when I purchase new items, sometimes I feel like I'm not sure if I'm getting the right stuff for my shop. But I feel like if you're a new business owner, a new boutique owner, you really have to give it time. So a new development this week is that I have been private labeling my items. So this is our Soho tee in white, and if you see right there, it says Reallycuteco. I had to private label an item before I gave it to the customer today because I want all the items to have my naming and tagging on them. The only thing I didn't label was this t-shirt, and that's because I need a t-shirt needle for my sewing machine, and I have not invested in those. But literally sewing the tags on is super simple, but I have to get certain needles. I need to get certain threads. So my top is from, obviously all my clothes are from the boutique, but this top is my Coastal Grandma tee. It's supposed to be like cottagecore type vibes t-shirt. Love it so much. And then I am wearing my I still have to clean it up in here. This is my denim ruffle overalls. Love them so much. I'm wearing a size medium, can definitely fit a size small. They fit so good, you guys. That's what they look like. They don't have adjustable straps, but they like fit so good. I can fit a small, but I definitely wanted them to be a little bit more oversized. So love these so much. These are gonna go to the post office first thing tomorrow morning. My husband slash, I call him the finance manager, takes them for me. But I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I put in the orders. I wanted to do like a packed on live on YouTube. I just haven't yet. I don't know if I'm feeling tired or not. I feel kind of depleted though, so I'm gonna clean up. Sometimes my mind starts like wandering at night and I just start feeling, I don't know if it's sad, but I don't know what it is, but I just start feeling like So I'm gonna clean up.